बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 14 करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सप्लाई टू अ हाउस। ये टॉपिक आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर में इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द वायर्स ऑफ अ हाउस सप्लाई। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे द करंट पावर से लेके 220 वोल्ट्स। नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इन दिस टॉपिक इज व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट अर्थ वायर और ग्राउंड वायर। द आंसर इज अर्थ वायर और ग्राउंड वायर दिस कैरी नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। द अर्थ वायर इज कनेक्टेड टू अ लार्ज मेटल प्लेट buried deep in the ground near the house। यहाँ तक आप इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज द व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द न्यूट्रल वायर। द अदर वायर इज मेंटेन्ड एट जीरो पोटेंशियल by connecting it to earth at the power station itself and is called the neutral wire. This wire provides the return path for the circuit। यहाँ तक आप इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे। थर्ड वन वायर इज लाइव वायर। इसका क्वेश्चन आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट लाइव वायर। द आंसर इज द थर्ड वायर इज एट हाई पोटेंशियल and is called live wire. The potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volts. For the next paragraph, the question is why a person gets electric shock if he suddenly touches live wire. The answer is our body is a good conductor of electricity through which current can easily pass. Therefore, if a person holds live wire, current will start flowing to the ground while passing through his body, which may prove fatal for a person। यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस आर कनेक्टेड इन अ हाउस सर्किट। द आंसर इज all the electrical appliances are connected across the neutral and live wires. The same potential difference is therefore applied to all of them and hence these are connected parallel to the power source। यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज द साइड ब्लॉक फॉर MCQ। Effects of electric currents on the body। The current can be felt if the value of current is 0.001 ampere। Current is painful if the current is 0.005 ampere। The current will cause involuntary muscles contraction if the value of current is 0.010 ampere। इसी तरह आप ये टेबल कंप्लीट करेंगे MCQ के लिए। नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज हाउस वायरिंग। इस टॉपिक में से आपको शॉर्ट और MCQ पूछे जा सकते हैं। फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट हाउस वायरिंग। द आंसर इज द वायर्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द मेन्स आर कनेक्टेड टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीटर इंस्टॉल्ड इन द हाउस। यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज आउटपुट पावर। द आंसर इज द आउटपुट पावर फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर is taken to the main distribution board and then to domestic electric circuit। यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज द टॉपिक ऑफ मेन बॉक्स। What do you know about main box? The main box contains fuses operating about 30 ampere. A separate connection is taken from the live wire of which appliance the terminal of the appliance is connected to the live wire through a separate fuse and a switch. If the fuse of one appliance burns out, it does not affect the other appliances। In next paragraph, the question is why in the house wiring all appliances are connected in parallel। The answer is in house wiring all appliances are connected in parallel with each other। This means they all get the full main voltage and one can turn on any appliances without having to turn on an other। यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one topic is 14.13 हैजर्ड्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ये टॉपिक आपसे लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हैजर्ड्स, व्हाट आर देयर टाइप्स, और डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली द हैजर्ड्स ऑफ हाउस होल्ड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। द आंसर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वाइल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हैज बिकम पार्ट से लेके डैम्प्ड ऑसिलेशंस के लास्ट तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। डेंजर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आर कॉल्ड हैजर्ड्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। वोल्टेज ऑफ 50 वोल्ट्स एंड करंट 50 मिली एम्पेयर कैन बी फैटल। मेजर डेंजर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आर electric shock and fire. Here we discuss some fatal in electric circuits that may cause electricity hazards. First one hazard is insulation damage. ये टॉपिक आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। What do you know about insulation damage? The answer is all electrical wires are well insulated with some plastic cover. All electrical wires are well insulated with some plastic cover for the purpose of safety. But when electrical current exceeds the rated current carrying capacity of the conductor, it can be produced excess current that can damage insulation due to the overheat of cables. This results into the short circuit which can severely damage electrical devices or persons. Next one hazard is, what is short circuit? The answer start from a short circuit occurs when a circuit with a very low resistance is formed. The low resistance causes the current to be very large. When appliances are connected in parallel, each additional appliance placed in the circuit reduces the equivalent resistance in the circuit and increase the current through the wire. The additional current might produce enough thermal energy to melt wiring insulation, which causes a short circuit or even start a fire. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one 9 is for MCQ. Short circuit can also occur when the live wire and the neutral wires come in direct contact. Next one short question is, write some safety measures to avoid short circuit. The answer is, in order to avoid such situations, the wires carrying electricity should never be naked. Rather, they should be covered with good insulator. Good insulator. Such an insulation covered wire is called cable. Constant friction may also remove the insulation from the wire, whereas too much moisture also damages the insulation. In such a situation, it is advisable to use a cable with 2 layers of insulation. Next one, side block is for short question. The question is, illustrate the correct way of wiring a 3-pin main plug. आंसर में आप ये complete block लिखेंगे। This sign means do not expose to water and this sign means do not use electrical equipments near inflammable material. Next one topic is damp conditions. This is important for short. The question is, what do you know about damp conditions? The answer is, dry human skin has a resistance of 100,000 ohms or more, but under damp condition means wet environment, resistance of human skin is reduced drastically to few hundred ohms. Therefore, never operate any electrical appliance with wet hands. Also keep switches, plugs, sockets and wires dry. Next one, side block. Do not fly kites near electricity lines. It may cause some fatal accident. Next one topic is 14.14 safe use of electricity in homes. First one point is fuse. This question is important for short. First question is, what do you know about fuse? The answer is, a fuse is a safety device that is connected in series with the live wire in the circuit to protect the equipment when excess flows. It is a short and thin piece of metal wire that melts when large currents passes through it. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. What is the function of fuse? The answer starts from if a large unsafe current passes through a circuit, the fuse melts and breaks the circuit before the wires become very hot and cause fire. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one is the rated of fuse. Fuse are normally rated as 5 ampere, 10 amperes, 13 amperes, 30 amperes. Different types of fuse shown in next paragraph. The short question is, write some safety measures adopted to use fuses. The answer start from following safety measures should be taken while using fuses in household electrical circuits. 2. Changing any fuse. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज द सर्किट ब्रेकर. ये भी आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द सर्किट ब्रेकर? द आंसर इज द सर्किट ब्रेकर एक्ट्स एज अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस in the same way as a fuel. It disconnects the supply automatically if the current exceeds the normal value. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next lines for MCQs. When the normal current passes through the live wire, the electromagnet is not strong enough to separate the contacts. If something goes wrong with the appliance and large current flow through the live wire, the electromagnet will attract the iron strip to separate the contact and break the circuit. This question also for short question. What do you know about earth wire? Sometimes even the fuse cannot capture the high currents coming from the live wire into the household appliance. Earthing further protect user from the electric shock by the connecting the metal causing of the appliance to earth. What is earth? A wired connection to the bare ground. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, write the name of appliances that have the metal case. Many electrical appliances have metal cases, include cookers, washing machines and the refrigerators. Next one question is, how earth wire is useful for us? The answer start from the earth wire provides a safe route to this break the fuse and disconnects the appliance. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.